Hi, my name is Ana Maria Legro Barreto. I am from Barreto municipality. I am also live in day. I am a zootechnic student in the UNAD University. Actually, I am working as groomer of dog. I live in I come law married with my boyfriend. I have no children. I am 23 years old. I like to spend my free time traveling, sometimes going out dancing, and many times I walk my dog so they can have fun with me. Their names are Theo and Rev. The main tourist places in my city are many times tourists and locals go to the main park, Los Venados, to have our typical pouring and eat French charron in addition. You can go to the river El Palmar to cool off. The typical food of the town is the Tolimen's tamal, oatmeal, fried pork, and Creole chicken stew. Being locals always on weekends, we have to eat something typical of our region. The ingredients of the tamal are banana leaves, rice, river, pork and chicken, potatoes, yellow paste, carrot should always be able to cut the fat from meat. However, some people do not use it. The main celebration in my town are usually December 4 is day of the patron Saint Santa Barbara. This day is to the birthday of the municipality of Venadillo to celebrate the day of San Juan and San Pedro as good Tolimens usually on April 4th for Big Tolima Day, and always we celebrate Christmas, New Year's and Easter. People always go to Mass to celebrate these days. On December 4, there are small fair and in San Juan and San Pedro, the real fair and festival are held where there are usually games for children, bazaars, typical food is sold, and there are always parades and queens. The activities that can be done in my town visitor generally seeing the call of in the rivers or a swimming pool of the municipality to enjoy eating or local gastronomic, visit the main park to take pictures and summit, make a reservation in the ecotourism park, sunrise the deer. However, tourists like to come to dance in the Discord that are around the main park. Thank you.